Good morning, everyone. This is the class of 11, that is accountancy, class 11 accountancy, and today I am going to discuss the topic in depreciation, that is asset disposal account. What? Asset disposal account. Now coming to the board, and let's see what is happening. Look at that. Now see that what is asset disposal account? Asset disposal account is an account which is open for recording all the transactions of selling of a fixed assets. All the transactions related with the selling of a fixed assets are recorded in asset disposal account. And assets disposal account is prepared only for recording of disposal of machines or fixed assets. That is called selling of fixed assets. Now look at that. What are the journal entries are required in this? Now you can see the journal entry. Look at that. The first journal entry that I have put in. Therefore, transfer from assets account. The disposal transfer from assets account. Now it is the entry is assets disposal account debit to assets account. Assets disposal account debit to assets account. This is for transferring of sale to assets. Now second journal entry is for transfer of depreciation in case of provision for depreciation is maintained. If provision for depreciation account is maintained, then what you have to do, look at the entry, provision for depreciation account debit, provision for depreciation account debit to asset disposal account. This is for transferring of provision for depreciation to disposal account. Now third entry you can see here, that is for sale of fixed assets. In sale of fixed assets, first entry is bank account debit to asset disposal account. What is? Bank account debit to asset disposal account. It is for sale of asset. Next is for profit on sale of fixed assets. For profit on sale of fixed assets, the entry is asset disposal account debit to profit and loss account. What is? Asset disposal account debit to profit and loss account. This is for profit on selling of fixed assets. Now next entry for loss on sale of fixed assets. Entry will be profit and loss account debit to asset disposal account. Again, profit and loss account debit to asset disposal account. These are the journal entries which are required when you are doing asset disposal account. Now you can see it so that this will be clear to all of you. These are the entries are required when you are going to prepare, when question is saying to prepare asset disposal account. In case of provision for depreciation account is maintained. Clear?